Hi and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be doing Manga Pachadi, which is an authentic grandmother recipe. This is usually done during Tamil New Year, which is on April 14th. Here's an interesting fact. So in this recipe, we'll be adding 5 different tastes. Bitter in the form of the vepampu or the neem flower, spiciness in the form of green chilies, sweetness in the form of jaggery, sourness in the form of the raw mango which we are going to be using, and of course salt. For this recipe we will be using a type of manga, raw mango, called the Kili Mooku manga, which literally translates to parrot nose raw mango. So first let us cut off the end so it will be easier to peel the skin. Next, cut the mango into bite-sized portions. I'm roughly chopping it. Alongside, using an ammikallu, using that, break bigger lumps of jaggery into smaller ones. So it will be easier for them to dissolve and become into a syrup. Now, starting off with the recipe, add some water, add a pinch of rock salt to that, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Throw your mangoes in and let it cook for a while until it becomes mushy and soft. Alongside, take a saucepan, add a little bit of water followed by the broken jaggery. Let it cook till it reaches this runny consistency. This step is done to remove the impurities or little dust particles in the jaggery and bring it back to the pan and let it boil again. The mangoes have soaked in water and now it's mushy and soft. So now it's time to add the thickened jaggery. Now using a mattu, so called in Tamil, we mash the mixture in order for the jaggery and the mangoes to combine. And let that cook for a while. Let the mixture thicken. Now in a talikara kadai, which is basically a tadka utensil, we add a spoonful of ghee. Now to the hot ghee, add a teaspoon of mustard seeds or kadug, 2 small slit green chilies, followed by what is known as vepampu, which is basically neem flower. Neem flower can be seen during this April season, which is when the New Year falls. So this neem flower is bitter in taste, that become a little dark. Add that to the mixture cooking. So here we go. This is the recipe for Manga Pachadi done the authentic way. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.